Welcome to a quick tip tutorial on using the quick access feature on your LG Smart TV. To bring up the quick access menu, simply hold the 0 button on your Magic Remote Control, and from this menu you can assign a quick access apps to each number on the remote. So to do that, just click on the number you want to edit, for example number 2, and then you can select the apps you would like it to open. For example, because I like Korean drama, so quick access number 2 is view, of course, and then the rest is up to you. So you can just click all the number until 8. You can put any quick access to any apps you want. So the other time that you want to switch between apps, you just press down the button, and it will bring you quickly to the apps you have set. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.